Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Grubhub on your iPhone. So let's see how we can set up our Grubhub account on our iPhone. So at first we need to go App Store from our iPhone. So I'm going to tap on the App Store and then it will open like this. Now we have to press the or tap the search icon. On the right corner of our screen there is a search icon. I just tap it over there and the search window will be appeared. In the search box where we can type, we just need to tap it and then it will bring the keyboard. Here we just need to type Grubhub for driver, and then we have to hit or tap the search button. Once we type it, then we'll find Grubhub for drivers application is there. To install it, at first we need to download, and basically if we press the get button, it will download and install automatically. So here if you tap it, you can make sure that you are downloading or installing the right version of Grubhub. So this is Grubhub for drivers, and right now the rating is good, but we need to install it. It doesn't matter the rating, because to make some delivery we need this thing. So I'm going to tap the get button, and once I tap the get button, it will ask Grubhub for drivers, this is the application, do I need to install or not? There is an install button. To install it, we just need to tap on the install button, and then it is asking the iCloud password. So I'm going to type the iCloud password for my account. So this is my iCloud account, hello Fewsteps at icloud.com. So I'm going to type the password for this iCloud account. Once I type the iCloud password, then I'm going to press or tap the sign in button. I'm going to tap it over there, and if the password is correct, it will start installation, and you will see a circle is looping like this way. So here you mentioning save password for free items. I'm not going to save this password, so I'm going to tap not now, and then it is loading basically, and the circle is almost done. And once it is done, then instead of get button, we'll see open button is there. We just need to tap to open the application over there, or we can go also, we can close this window, and from our application panel, basically iPhone application, there are many application icons are there. From here we can see that GH drivers is there. This is the application which we need for Grubhub for drivers account. I'm going to tap it over there, and then it will bring like this. Grubhub would like to send you notification. We just need to tap the allow button, and then the application is asking to log in. So if you already have the account, you can log in by tapping the log back in with that button. Otherwise you can sign up for a new driver. I already have an account, so I'm going to tap log back in, and then it brings like this type of window. So here we just need to type the email address. So I'm going to type the email address and password for this Grubhub account. I just typed my email address and password. Now I'm going to tap the login button to log in my account. If the username and password is correct, I mean the email and password is correct, I will be able to log in. So I'm going to tap the login button, and here see it is asking like turn on location service. We need to allow location service for Grubhub. So we need to go to the settings, and then it will bring like this. So here location service we need to enable it, and then it will be activate. So here basically, and location alert and share my location, everything is fine. Now you will see Grubhub for drivers. You just need to tap it over there, and you need to tap the last option, always this thing. So that means basically it will track my location so that I can get the orders very easily. So I'm going to minimize this thing. We don't need it more. We are again tapping on the Grubhub for driver, and then we have to tap the got it button. Now you will see your account has been logged in successfully. Now it's showing unavailable. To make your account online, basically we just need to tap on over there, and then from here we have to tap the switch link or switch button, whatever you can say, and then it will be like taking offer, and then we can press the close button to close this window. And then here you will see that your account has been logged in successfully and you are in online. If you want to make your account offline now, or if you are not interested to work now, then tap it again, taking offer, and just switch it off and then close it. And that's it guys. In this way we can easily install the Grubhub application on our iPhone, and we can use it to make some money. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you have any question or if you face any problem, please put in the comment section.